Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't yet subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 500 before the end of the year. I think there's like there's like 5 days left at this point. But if you clicked on this video because of the thumbnail or the title, I'm going to give you some context real quick before I show you the footage. Just to give you some backstory. So my car was in an accident before, and I've been going back and forth with this this body shop to get some repairs done. They're like Geico certified because I have Geico insurance, and it's been a problem just because they do the work to the point where it's like decent, like not even decent. They just do it so that it looks like it's done, but it's never completely done. Like no one like quality checks it, like, hey, listen, this is good, this is bad. One of the problems I had is with my rims. I had all 4 powder coated before I got into the accident where I got hit by an ambulance. I was not moving. And yeah, they powder coated, they repaired the one rim that got damaged in the accident, but they left like sections where it was like chipping and peeling. So they were like, yeah, we'll fix it. I sent it back. They fixed that. And then the inside of the rim, which you will see in the video, is completely undone. And when I asked, I think he's the owner, he pretty much tried to gaslight me into telling me that I was going crazy and that he never powder coated it, even though I was telling him I understand that, but when I brought it in, it was powder coated before. And it was, I don't know what's going on. And the problem is I hate coming off, there's one thing I hate, and I hate being that customer who's always like, or that client who's like super nitpicky, like fix this. And it's like, you've already done everything and they're just trying to get every single dime out of you. I just wanted my car to be exactly the same way I like before the accident. I like the same way, and it's not hard because I had all 4 like wheels powder coated, and they did a good job getting rid of like the dents that were in the wheels before. But apparently that's like impossible now. They just keep like doing half of the work. Yeah, you'll see the video. And the second thing is like the bumper is coming off, which I've shown you guys before. It's just kind of annoying because it's an auto body shop and you expect them to at least try to do something out of their way to like, I've told them, we agreed, we spoke in the beginning that it wasn't going to be a perfect fitment. I asked him if he heated it, if there was anything else I could do, like glue or something. And he was like, no, there's just like nothing. We did our best. And it's just frustrating because I don't care if I have to pay more or I have to go find someone who like is specialized in like, I don't know, fitting bumpers after they've been painted. But like, I want some kind of solution or some kind of step to take forward. And they're just kind of like, no, that's it. We did the car, you're done. And I just feel like it's funny. I don't know if it's because I'm young that I'm not being taken serious or I'm confused. But anyway, that's just some context. This isn't like some like attack towards this auto body shop. They were helpful in the beginning by allowing me to use my own bumper. And it's just kind of concerning to myself that there are other customers who will automatically like take this at face value and be like, yep, this is it. There's nothing to do. And they're going to stay with like a mediocre job done on their vehicle. So I'm just putting this out there for that reason. And obviously to keep track of my car's journey since we got the is350. Yeah, no other updates aside that in summer of 2024, I want to get an ISF or I want to get a Challenger or a Charger, a Scat Pack. Just those two. One of those are going to happen for this summer, and we're going to get it done. I'm just trying to figure out which one it's going to be. You guys can. We might be biased here because a lot of you guys are probably going to want me to get an ISF. But comment down below which one you think I should get. I'm ready to take the next step, and I love this car so much. We still have a lot of stuff to get done. I want to lower it. I want to change the bumper. I want to do something to the exhaust. There's just a bunch of things we need to finish. But we got time. But those two are coming up for 2024. Either sooner than the summer or in the summer. So comment down below which one you think we should set. I don't know which one we should get. What? All right, so we picked it up. My cousin dropped me off. They still didn't find anything about that. I don't know what the hell they're gonna do, bro. It's just super annoying that's like that I have to keep pushing that in. I don't know if anyone knows like any ideas on that because they should have heated it up. I told them that apparently they did. Shoot, might end up resorting to just going that or something. This is okay. It's not perfect because again, they didn't send these out to get like baked, quote unquote, at like a place. They had someone who came out and did it. My cousin does this, so it's like I kind of know the process of it. So there are a little bit of imperfections here. Nothing crazy. There's just like some bubbling on one of these, like here. I don't even know if you can see that. There's like some bubbles there, and like this is like I can't tell, bro, if it's like I don't know, man. It's just weird. I'm like trying to check the difference. You see how back here you can see how it's like a different color?
Where?
In there.
In like the little crack.
Oh, like literally look back there. It's literally like a different color. Look behind the thing.
Yeah, it is.
Like you see that?
Yeah.
It's a different color.
Yeah.
Come now look at the other ones that were done. These were done by the shop professionally.
Oh, they're darker, right?
Because they're painted everywhere.
Oh.
I don't even know. Should I even ask, bro? It's just annoying that I have to keep.
Oh wait, what'd they charge you for?
They didn't charge me, but they fixed them apparently. It's just kind of annoying that, like.
Let me see. Wipe off the dust. Oh, it's not even. Oh yeah, you're right. It's like a shade of gray. It's like gray. Yeah, that's like a gray, bro. And then this one's like a dark.
Hold up.
You're a professional vlogger.
I was gonna ask you something real quick.
Because those were powder coated.
Right,
that's not powder coated.
This one was powder coated too.
But that's not what the repair guy does. He doesn't powder coat.
No, but I'm saying this before I brought them in, they were powder coated. That's why I'm confused.
Right, and to repair them, to make them black again, we don't have a powder coater. We have a guy who comes out and refinishes the outside. So what's the question?
I was just asking, so he didn't do anything to the inside though?
No, why would he do anything to the inside of the wheel? The damage was on the outside face of the wheel.
Right. Okay. I have to take a look at it. I'm sorry. I was confused because like all the other ones are like done from the inside. I'm confused why this one isn't. I was 100.
What's done from the inside?
Like, because like you know how like I'll show you. I'm using this as an example. This one it has like a gloss finish on all like the whole thing. Like all
because
four
the wheel was powder coated.
All four of them.
That I get what you're saying, what you did, but that's not how it's fixed. It doesn't go out and get repowder coated again. It gets refinished on the outside. So he doesn't refinish the inside. It only covers the outside damage.
Right.
From the loss.
That's what I'm saying though. But
Yeah.
What I'm asking is was the
They
inside...
don't refinish the inside. They refinish the outside face of the wheel where the damage was.
Right. No, I'm just asking because damage was from the outside.
Right.
The inside should have been powder coated before I got the car.
When you brought the car on where?
When I brought it to you.
Dude, I don't powder coat wheels here. That's what I'm telling you. If you had your wheels powder coated, they powder coated your wheels. The wheel was refinished. The outside of the wheel was refinished. Okay. The same thing he did this time, he just did it again because there was two little chips in it.
I know.
Right, so then, but you keep asking me when it was powder coated. I didn't powder coat your wheels.
No. I know that. What I'm saying is, so he didn't touch any other part of the room because usually they sand them down completely when they're going to retouch it, especially like, you know, clean them up, right? So like fix the damage.
He fixed the two chips the first time. He sanded down where the damage was and refinished it.
Right.
And then you had the two chips in it, so he sanded down and refinished the whole outside of the wheel again after he fixed the two little chip spots.
Okay. You're fine. I'm just like confused by.
Confused by what though? That's what I don't understand.
Can you just come look at this one just so you can see what I'm doing? I'm sorry. There's a lot of like breakups on this one, right? Okay. Like, you see what I mean? How this one is powder coated from the inside?
Right.
They were all like this.
Okay, so then what you're not happy is with the inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call my wheel guy. And I'm gonna give my wheel guy your number, and then have him contact you, and whatever he needs to do to fix the wheel, to make the wheel problem go away, that's what I'll pay him to do, and then we're all good with the wheels. We don't have to worry about anything ever again, all right?
No.
Okay, so then I'll reach out to him, give me your information, and he'll reach out to you and have somebody come out. They might take your wheel now, so they might leave your car in the air.
Yeah, that's what they did last time. Like when Adam powder coated, they took the wheels from him.
Okay, all right, so then I'll call him again and tell him that he's got to come out and do it again, and I'll give him your number.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Because I'm not crazy, right?
It makes no sense though. How the hell would that wheel change by itself?
Do you see how I'm not crazy? This is, oh my god, bro. Because I understand. I hate being a customer who's like a pain in the butt to work with. But like, if I bring you my car with all my four wheels powder coated from like every, like they got sent out to the shop, they got baked up, and then you're telling me now that I'm crazy?
I'm glad I recorded all of that, bro. I can't even clutch off. Beast mode.
It just doesn't make any sense.
Wait, but my thing is, why would they cap out of it though? Like, why would he like start capping out of his mouth trying to say that they didn't even touch the back of it?
No, and that's that's what frustrates me, because like I also get like the bumper doesn't have to fit perfectly, but bro, they are trying for their life to not like do their job, bro. That's so frustrating. That's so
like
frustrating,
the best part
bro.
to just mod your cars by yourself. And
I
just
literally,
do it.
dude, I can't make this up more.